Alaya, I absolutely love your new class, HT-DIA. I had lots of breakthroughs and growth and understanding. Could you talk to us about it, please?
Yes. This new class has, for me, it's opened up new frontiers. It's quite easy to find the emotional component in the body, but what I've found is there's deeper layers of pain, of shame, of guilt, of fear that are so hidden, and we become blinded to them. And in order not to feel or to access these difficult emotions, what we do is we numb ourselves. We lose that deeper connection to our bodies. And we also have lost that deeper interconnection to like the internet, the light network inside our bodies, because we haven't been able to fully embrace and be present in our bodies. So moving through the pelvic floor has opened up such a deep connection to my heart and to the earth and to my body. And as we've moved through these hidden emotions, there's a clarity that comes and an ease with being more connected to energies and earth and life. When we moved up into the respiratory diaphragm, this is where we found deep hidden fear. Fears that were so locked and so buried and so commanding in our lives unknowingly. And when we hit these layers of fear, what we found is that in the front, anteriorly, we have fear of life, and in the back, it's more fear of death. And also when you have that restriction, that tightness, it creates a disconnect from our hearts, our physical heart, which breaks pathways, disrupts pathways of light that should be continuing through and flowing through our bodies, between the three pelvic floors, through all our diaphragms. So coming up into the tentorium, this is the tentorium, the falx, and where the tentorium meets the falx, this line is another incredible, call it the perineum of the tentorium. It's powerful, it's beautiful, and when you connect into the to the light body, when you connect to all the fascia and this point where it all conjoins, there's it's a surprise. There's some kind of illumination waiting for us. And so what I'm finding moving through this is that we're accessing the light body, the inner light body. And when we awaken this inner light body, we see that it connects to the outer light body, so that we have an interfacing of the inner light and the outer light. So I'm having fun, and it's been great sharing with you too.